Yeah.
Look at all those chickens.
Hi guys, how you doing? We're back at the
Jurong Bird Park.
and we're doing our question and answer video here, which is weird, but that's what we're doing. Alright, so now you can. The American Flamingo. No, it's the American Flamingo. We're going on a... What have you found, Mary?
Flamingo.
Where are we? You could probably guess. We are at the bird park. There's some flamingos.
Flamingo.
Alright, let's start rolling.
Yeah.
Hi guys, thanks for meeting me here
No worries.
at a Jurong Bird Park.
Yeah.
It's really exciting.
It's exciting, isn't it?
So I have some questions for you. Do you mind answering?
Totally.
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So,
Hey, have you made any new friends while you're here in Singapore?
funny thing. We have.
You have?
A lot of exchange friends.
One of them is Irish. One of them's actually videoing this. He's Irish.
Ben. Thank
Shout out
you.
to Ben.
Woo.
Thanks to Ben.
Yeah, a
We've
lot of
made
exchange friends.
a lot of exchange friends. A lot from America. A couple from Australia. Yeah. That's pretty much it. They're all over the world, really.
Next question.
Okay. Do you have any plans to go anywhere else?
Yeah.
Going to Thailand this week.
Where's that?
Recess week we're going to.
We're going to Vietnam soon and Cambodia.
And we also plan on going to Malaysia and where else? Maybe Laos.
Yeah, potentially. We don't know where we're going.
Okay. Are you guys missing home?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little
The
bit.
food and
We
my
miss the
bed.
food.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's an Aussie food that you're craving?
Pasta.
Everything. Everything.
Anything with beef. Steak.
Steak, a parma, a Michelin parma and chips. Parma, chips and salad.
Peter, do you miss your sister?
Always. Do you miss your sister, Mary? I mean, my sister.
I miss Carly and I kind of miss my brothers.
Aww. What do you guys wish you knew before you arrived here?
Well, we knew it'd be hot, but it's really humid and
That's not a lie.
sticky.
It's so hot.
Sweating all the time.
Um,
Also, it's so hilly and so many stairs and stuff,
so many
which suck. But hopefully our calves are bigger by this.
yeah, by the end of it, we get bigger legs. I need it. Yeah,
So, what's the best food you've had here?
it's tough to say. I really enjoy chicken rice because it's basic and pretty.
They have really good fruit smoothies, and the fruit's really cheap as well, which is good.
I love that. That's nice and basic. Yeah,
Cool.
that's some birdie.
So, back home you guys were in the same house, right? How are you coping being a whole 10 minutes walk away from each other?
Sounds far, doesn't
It's
it?
different, but like a lot of people here, their partners are left at home, so we just consider ourselves lucky enough to be here together in the first place.
Well, that's very sweet. Do you think being in Singapore has contributed positively to your relationship?
I think so. I think
Yeah,
we're in a
I'd
different
say.
place. Gives us new
Not
challenges.
too much different because obviously we live together anyway, so
Yeah, I
too
think
much of a difference.
definitely helped us.
That's nice. So obviously both of you guys are totally fresh and clean, but is the air here okay?
Sometimes.
I'd say so.
On days it's really blue. Okay. Other days it's not, but apparently it's bad to exercise sometimes.
It's
Oh
so
my
humid.
bird.
Wow.
Look at that.
Crazy.
Massive. Holy shit. Yeah, pretty clean, I suppose.
And what do you think your favorite part of Singapore is so far?
This is tough. Everything's favourite.
Meeting
Everything's
new
good.
friends.
Meeting new friends. Meeting our
Being
cameraman.
close to all the Asian countries. Like
Yeah.
traveling super cheap, food super cheap,
Everything.
accommodation super cheap.
Super
So
cheap.
it's easy
Hey,
to travel.
I'm Pablo. What's your favorite part of being here?
This couple.
Oh,
Aww.
that's sweet.
Liar.
Oh, guys, and congratulations on a year and 3 months.
Oh, thank you.
Cute. Can we get a kiss for the camera?
No.
Oh, it's very cute. Okay. Thanks for answering my questions, guys.
Thanks for
Goodbye.
having us.
Thanks, Ben. Thanks for the show.
Bye.